the slug! Rock, paper, scissors!
What is Gonson doing? It is alive!
Oh, look out!
Righto, you little muppets, coming to you live from Dubai.
At the Aquaventure here
Here
for
we
some
are.
more slide fun!
Slide action, Stanford's just waltzed in.
Impossible challenges,
Oh,
everyone.
impossible.
Let's give them a little sneak
Yeah,
peek.
look at that.
It's going to
Come
be
on.
wild, it's
Some
going to be
snaky.
hectic. First one, who can draw the best Rexy on
No.
your phone?
Yes.
Down the slide. Here we go.
Really glad phones are waterproof these days, boys.
Means we can have a little fun game, Stanford, just drawing Rexy.
Who do we reckon's got the best drawing skills, lads?
Not me, I'm terrible.
I'm pretty gifted. I don't think any of us set the world on fire in the art department.
I once had a crack at drawing the Mona Lisa.
This is the water slide. It's going down there. It's going down fast.
Do you remember what Rexy looks like?
I can't remember his face.
Think about his eyes, Derek. Think about his eyes.
Go, Heron.
Stop!
Rexy!
Rexy! There's his tail! Legs! Armies! Head! Eye! Teeth! Rexy! Rexy, where's your arms? There's your arms! Oh, slippered gone! There's his arms! Look at that tail, where's the pegs? Oh! That's Flipper, look at this effort! That is Rexy if I've ever seen him! Yeah? Folks, get around Heron. Comment, Heron's was best. Look at that thing. Look at his toenails.
Be the Rexy.
And Gonson is...
How do you draw Rexy? How do you freaking draw the head? What? Very good, actually. What does a dinosaur have again? Leg. Oh, does he have a wing? He sort of has a wing. And then he's got a couple of feet, but he's got a bit of a, that's right, we put a bit of a, What's Gonson done? Show me. Yours is terrible. No, what is that?
I've gone the green text. I don't know if the other guys have thought about the color, but that might be enough to get me over the line. Here we go. Come on, Rexy! Oh, I've got to draw a Rexy. Oh, no, it's not good. It's not good. Oh, I've run out of room. Ah! Where's his little legs? There's... ah! Oh, maybe these should be his arms. I could resurrect it. That's his mouth. There's his eye.
Oh, Stampy, that's not bad.
Is that not bad? True story. That was originally his mouth, but then I decided to go the head on the top.
Facts, Stanford, yours and mine are better than Gonson's.
Righto, well, we're going to put all the pictures up on the screen. I haven't seen yours yet. It's not that bad.
I told you this is terrible.
Did you go with the line? What's this? All right, well, let us know in the comments. I reckon, honestly, my sub 2-year-old would beat that.
Oh, steady on.
Hashtag Stanford for the win.
Yeah, nah. Hashtag Gonson was actually quite beautiful. That'll work.
Next challenge, we're rocking the head mounts again. How good. Everyone's got a basketball.
We've got to hold it up like a platter. And we're on the one with the big old drop, so good luck to us holding
Last
on.
one holding it
wins.
wins.
And elbow cannot bend. No bend.
Ready?
Try and keep the balls.
Straight that elbow! Stay good! Stay good!
Easy.
Stay good!
Oh, the drop.
Above chest!
It's really hard!
Whoa!
The elbow not bends!
Easy!
Above
Stanford's winning! Mine is still kind of in!
Who had it the longest?
Stanford, I saw Stanford's arm go in. Oh, I don't know.
Gee, we're gonna analyze that a lot.
We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to. That's all I'm saying. We're gonna have to.
Round 3, we've all got the Nokia 3310, the same ones we dropped off the helicopter, believe it or not. Who can get the highest Snake 2 score on that same slide we just went down? Heron's put it on level
7, Stanford.
Ooh, so we got an expert mode.
Yep.
There we go. There we are. Are you all on 0?
Yep.
Better.
When can we start?
Now!
Now, go!
Go!
Oh, we're on.
Big!
Oh,
Good start from Gordon! Come on, Heron! Amazing! Oh, no! Oh, no! Get the slug! Oh, get it! Where are we? Oh, we didn't do the drop! Hold on! We're pretty close! I'm on 98!
Stop! I'm already dead! Stop! What happened?
I died!
You died! There's my last score, 98.
what score?
84.
Oh! Stanford.
100
And still going. Look at him go.
I only got 98. Alrighty, next everyone is the Rubik's Cube. Now in the thumbnail, that slide is coming up later, but we're gonna start with a slightly smaller one first. None of us have ever completed one of these before.
I've
so
never got a side.
Editor Jack, who's part of the team, he's actually a bit of a...
He knows how to solve
He knows how these are gonna work. We're gonna do a rock off. Whoever wins, Jack steps in for him.
So whatever you can get done in this first all-in slide, you can then continue with on the leap of faith. Let's see who can get the most done.
Everyone in Dubai, could you please get the bell on?
Winner gets Jack.
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock, paper, scissors!
Yes! Come on my team, Jack!
No!
Get me the win, son! But in the event no one can complete it, the winner is the person who has the most sides solved. And even if we can't get one side done, whoever has the most of one side done.
So green is my initial side I'm going for, Stanford.
Hey, he started! No, I'm scrambling it.
Friggin'
yeah,
watch him.
I'm shuffling.
Hey!
Heron, look at me. We will do better than we did before.
Now, Jack, mate, what colour are we starting with?
I'd go white to start.
All right, we're going the white. I'll back you in, Jack. And look, mate, if we don't win this, it's all right. I'm still happy for you to be our editor. All right, we're good, boys. Get ready to start.
Come on, the orange! Go the orange!
3, 2, 1,
Heron's
go!
already going.
Get Rubik's in! Rubik's!
How do I get him?
Rubik's!
How do I get in there? How do I get him? Wow! What is Gonson doing to get in the wow? I'm actually doing it. Jack, I need your help. Jack, I need your help.
7 towards big, go!
I need help. I need help.
Give me one! Give me one! Oh, big! Jack's freaking killing it! Oh, look out!
Hang on! Look at me, I've got 6! I've got 6! I've got 6 How do I do more? How do I do more? I've got 6 I can report!
And stop! Well, I think Jack's done good things. I got a sneak peek in the dark. Jack's like, give me light!
I have 6, but I swear at one point I had 7.
Oh, so you went backwards.
I think I went
What do you got?
6 as well.
All right, what do you got, Jack?
5.
Yes! Oh, big.
Look how much of
That's a big rock off.
Jack, you are a wizard.
Must have had 6 in no time at all, and I didn't even know what I was doing.
I had 6 after 3 turns and then it went back.
I don't know if I've ever had Jack say anything to me with as much intensity as he said when he goes, I need the light in the dark. I really wanted it. I was like, because I was filming and then I realized he's on my team. I don't want to give you folks light. So we're on our way to that hectic leap of faith. You would have seen the thumbnail with the sharks around it and stuff. Boys, I am so confident in what Jack has done that I do not think you can beat me, even if you can do this all the way walking to the slide.
It's quite a walk, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a few minutes. So good luck.
Friggin', let's go. Come on, Gornson. I gotta think. Just gotta clear my mind.
Have you gone backwards, Heron?
Definitely.
Hang on. Got a new technique. No, I'm serious. I think I'm gonna crack it. No, I will. Something's tweaked in my brain.
Oh, the tweaky.
Folks, I actually have no idea. I'm just chasing my tail. Like, time's not actually helping me.
I thought I was doing a good thing.
So did I.
Me and my beautiful Rubiks have arrived at the leap of faith, everyone. If you haven't seen it before, this thing is nuts. I don't know if you can see there's flipping sharks swimming around in there.
I'm at the point now, folks, where I just don't want to touch it because I'm scared that I'll stuff it up again.
At the moment, Heron is in second position.
And he is.
And I can take it from him, Scott.
Hey look, it's Nemo's teacher. And Brucey. Hey Brucey.
Gonna have to start taking some risks, everyone. Gotta be prepared to lose it to win it.
Heron's currently holding firm because he's in second place and he's okay with that. Gaunson's in panic mode.
Freaking bada bing, come on! Oh, equal second place!
The thing is, I don't think I'm gonna turn mine. I'm actually not even gonna turn
The
it.
rule is you have to turn it at least once.
You just made that up.
Yeah, we always make up rules. That's how we do it.
Oh, yes! Yes! Big!
How do you get here?
So Gaunson's gone first. Gonna leave the faith, mate. What's the strategy?
Currently got 9, got a bit to go, but we'll see how we go, Stan.
So if we both have a completed side, it's whoever's got the most of the next completed side.
I believe so, yeah.
Alrighty, Gaunson is away.
I forgot to turn the Rubik's Cube.
Heron,
I want to be able to see what I'm doing.
turn true.
Believe! Go!
I'm twisting! It's swimming! Hey! How'd you go?
Yeah, great. Really killed it, I reckon. I think I solved it. Not going to reveal it, though.
I didn't even turn my Rubik's Cube on the way down.
Do you know, me and Stan actually made the rule. You weren't even listening. You had to turn it. So you're disqualified.
Really?
And it's official. Come straight from the top.
Had to turn.
Had to turn.
That was a rule.
Yeah, that was a rule.
That I missed.
Yeah, you weren't listening. It's your own fault.
Really?
Scott's disqualified. How good, folks?
This is for Jack.
Here we go.
Did he turn it? I got to turn in.
I didn't know you had to turn. I didn't know the rule.
Scott's disqualified. He didn't turn it.
I had the white, and then I added in the one blue.
That is a lot of bluey.
I added in the one blue.
Red?
Yeah,
Jeez,
well,
Jack really did a lot.
Yeah,
Jack, you did nothing. You did nothing.
I won the rock off.
Anyway, we're just going to roll to the outro now, I've decided.
yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks,
this was rough.
Aquaventure, for letting us do our
Thanks
craziness.
to Dubai for being Dubai.
Yeah, amazing fun.
Yeah, good.
Anything else?
Oh, no, just well done to Jack, I reckon.
Thanks,
All right,
Bonnie,
we'll
for helping out a bit.
see you next week.